Guys, welcome back. It's Ron, and I got you another video. Before we get started, let's do this little housekeeping that we got to do. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe and notification button to get all the updates. Now, if you want to support the channel and help us grow also, there's a link below the video. It says thanks. That's called a super thanks. Go ahead and hit that, and if you'd like to donate to the channel, I'd really appreciate it. Anyway, guys, we got this video today. It comes from the Coast Guard. This happened on the 12th of March where a vessel had an allision. Now, there's a difference between a allision and a collision. A collision is where two boats hit each other, and an allision is where a vessel hits a stationary object like an oil rig. So this is what happened. A vessel hit an oil rig, and there was three people. Two had to be medevac for injuries, and they're looking for the third one. So let's go ahead and take a look at the video.
There's no trail line on this. Roger. Cease commands. Roger. Yeah, good enough for you. Passage coming up. Passage just below the door. Passage coming up. Passage just outside the cabin door. Bring basket inside the cabin. Roger. Put herself way up.
Yeah, Mr.
Put her just close the cabin door.
No, I'm coming up on your port side right there.
Just turn to the trail line.
Appreciate it.
Oh, trail line section. Trail line away. Splitter's coming up.
Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching the video. Again, make sure you like and subscribe, hit the notification button for all the updates that we give you. And guys, have a good one, and I thank you very much.